Not sure how to select the right Clean Resources Oil-Water Separator for a screw compressor system? Over the next minute and a half, I'll walk you through how to size our unit to your compressor properly. If you're running a reciprocating compressor, check out the link in the description below this video. First, you will need to determine the total capacity of your compressed air system. Add up each compressor's horsepower, or CFM, that will feed into the oil-water separator. This will determine the oil-water separator's capacity to treat your condensate effectively. Next, consult the chart on your screen. Find your total horsepower, or CFM, in the column on the left. Round up if your total is between numbers. Scan across that row to see which units have the capacity to treat your system's condensate volume. The number in each box is that unit's projected lifespan in hours. For example, if your system's total horsepower is 500, a CRP 1500 can be expected to last around 7,000 hours. Assuming you are running your compressors 8,000 hours per year, this unit's projected lifespan would be about 10.5 months. We recommend sizing units to be replaced annually or for up to 2 years. If you have questions, please reach out to us at cleanresources.com or call us at 800-566-0402.